Here are clear and important facts about the voting system of India. 1. India follows a parliamentary democracy. India uses the Westminster model, where citizens elect members of parliament, MPs, who form the government. Though the voting system is based on first past the post, FPTP. In each constituency, the candidate with the most votes wins, even if they don't cross 50%. This applies to Lok Sabha, state assemblies, and many local bodies. 3. Elections are conducted by the Election Commission of India, ECI, a constitutional body. Ensures free and fair elections. Has control over voter rolls, model code of conduct, EVMs, etc. 4. Elections use EVMs plus VVPAT. Electronic voting machines, EVMs, are used nationwide. VVPAT, Voter Verified Paper Audit Trail, allows the voter to see a printed slip confirming their vote for 7 seconds. Random VVPAT slips are counted to verify EVM accuracy. Part. Universal Adult Suffrage. Every citizen aged 18 years and above can vote if they are registered on the voter list. 6. India is divided into constituencies. 543 Lok Sabha constituencies. Each elects one MP. States have their own number of assembly constituencies. 7. No online or postal voting for general voters. Only specific groups can use alternative methods. Service voters, Army, Navy, Air Force. People posted on election duty via postal ballots. Overseas Indians currently cannot vote online or by mail, must be physically present. 8. Nota option is available. None of the above can be chosen by voters. Nota doesn't affect the result unless ordered by the courts. 9. Model Code of Conduct, MCC, comes into force as soon as elections are announced. Restricts political misuse of government resources. Ensures fair campaigning. Thus, voter ID, EPIC, isn't mandatory, but identification is. You can vote even without EPIC if you carry any approved ID like Aadhaar, passport, driving license, etc. 11. Booth level officers, BLOs, manage voter lists. They handle adding, removing voters, corrections, house-to-house verification. 12. Counting process is transparent. EVMs are sealed and stored in strong rooms monitored 24/7. Counting is done in presence of all candidates' agents. If you want, I can also give simple explanation for kids. Information about Lok Sabha Rajya Sabha elections. Facts for your YouTube video. Current election rules updates.